Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made a classic Victoria sponge cake. I hope you enjoy watching. If you do, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. In this video I won't be going over the steps on how to make the sponge, but I will include a link of a recipe of how you can make the sponge. What I would recommend is when you're making the sponge, you ensure that the layers are chilled so it makes it easier to cut. And when I was working with my layers here, they weren't chilled. So as you saw in the first instance, I applied some jam like I'm doing here, and then I just used a piping bag. I didn't have any tip, I just cut the piping bag to the size I wanted and I squeezed and pulled up, and this gave me the blobs of buttercream, as you can see, and I just repeated the layer over and over again. So what I would advise is when you're applying your jam, apply the quantity that you want. It's usually more in quantity, but I decided to use a lighter amount because I didn't want it to be too sweet. But it's up to you to apply as much as you like according to how you like. And this is the last bit here where I'm just applying the strawberries using a layer effect. And what I did, just to ensure that they stay down, I applied some buttercream so that they could stay in place on the cake. And that's it. And that's how I put together my Victoria sponge heart-shaped cake. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.